Let's face it, data within your organization is everywhere. It's found in different systems, silos, and there is still at least half of it is still unstructured in file folders like PDF and Word documents. This makes it nearly impossible to search all of these places from a central point. Imagine a technology which could be installed either on-premise or in the cloud and be told to scan or spider these many disparate systems every day, or the moment new records arrive. Also imagine that this technology could fully index each PDF or Word document so that the contents of any document, regardless of its file type, were searchable. If a system could do this, why couldn't it auto-apply metadata for each record it scans, deduplicate, or reclassify records based on security rules from what it finds inside of each record? If a system could do all of this, it could also determine if these records exceeded your document retention policies, automating the archival or deletion of those which fall outside of your retention policies. This technology does exist, and it is called Centralpoint by Oxcyon. Centralpoint ranks in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for digital experience platforms and is used by over 320 organizations worldwide, including the United States Congress House Intelligence Committee, where it scans and ingests data daily from numerous agencies, applying classification, metadata, and relating it together to alert those tracking certain topics within Congress. Centralpoint's data cleaning are managed by you around your business rules and are easy to manage. These rules tell Centralpoint what to do in scrutinizing any record it scans during its spidering routine. These more rules you create, the more intelligent Centralpoint appears to become. This is because artificial intelligence is in fact artificial. The more you instruct the system, the better your AI becomes. Centralpoint supports many sources of data that it can scan, including SharePoint, Oracle, XML, RSS, JSON, Excel, Access, Text, Office 365, Exchange, or Outlook, and those files found in file folders or shared drives. Here, Centralpoint crawls each folder careful to fully index, ingest, and auto-apply metadata to any file it finds, including PDF, Word docs, PowerPoint, images, spreadsheets, CAD files, virtually anything. Centralpoint empowers your organization with a true federated search across everything where results are fresh every time. The steps to implement Centralpoint are simple. First, Centralpoint is installed either on-premise or in the cloud on a Microsoft server. Next, Centralpoint is instructed where each silo of data is located and told how frequently each should be scanned. Here we see a number of data transformation routines scheduled, showing which will run next. Next, data cleaning rules are added to allow for automated classification, to apply metadata, or dynamically build relationships. It automates the conversion of your raw data into actionable and relatable knowledge for your users. Finally, we either execute a data transformation routine or wait until its scheduled time kicks in. Here we see Centralpoint reach out to that other dataset and begin ingesting or scanning information about each record. Now that the routine is run, let's take a look to see what was gleaned. In this case, a number of PDF and Word documents were ingesting, converting the PDF to fully indexed copy, preserving the original PDF, and auto-applying metadata to the record. To show you the same thing slowed down, let's now manually upload one record into Centralpoint. Here, we will simply title our record and upload a PDF. Upon submission, you will see that we have auto-applied some taxonomy or metadata terms. As we open the record, we will first look at the PDF, but then also see the full copy of the PDF, which is fully indexed. In addition, you will see all of the metadata which was assigned to this record, based upon the data cleaning rules. Because these routines are scheduled and automated, this means users need not upload information into any system again. Let your users store their files in file folders. As Centralpoint scans these folders and detects new records, it may be instructed to deposit those into SharePoint, Office 365, or the cloud automatically based on certain rules. Centralpoint's routines are faster and more reliable than what employees often can or are willing to do. Your users will find these routines liberating both from enhanced search results, but especially in eliminating their need to upload it in the first place. When searching Centralpoint for any record, you may wish to show crosswalks. These are related records found from other systems, which might relate to the search itself. For an example, when looking up a client contract originating in SharePoint, Centralpoint may show relationships to all invoices paid by that same client from another system, or may present links to the latest emails sent from the client which were spidered from Outlook or Exchange. You decide which record should crosswalk to others, and for which users' roles it should present its relationships. Our clients typically apply values like client IDs, employee IDs, product IDs, or case numbers to allow these crosswalks to take place. But there is no limit to what you may elect to use to accomplish it. Contact us today to learn more. We would be happy to set up an instance of Centralpoint around some of your metadata or classification rules, and then scan samples of your data at no charge. In this way, we can demonstrate our capabilities while eliminating any risk in your decision.